Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dita Fitri Damayanti and I'm from Civil Engineering student. Today, I would like to present one of the infrastructure projects from my local area, which is the Kalimalang Peruri Bridge. First of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks to Mr. Bahar as the course lecturer for giving me this opportunity. This presentation is made as part of the final project for our English subject. Without further ado, let's begin our discussion. In this presentation, I will discuss the following topic, which is about the project name and the location, purpose and the significance, technical specification, the construction process, the involved stakeholders, environmental and social impact, current status, and the conclusion. So let's begin. Bridge infrastructure plays a vital role in our daily lives. It connects places that are divided by rivers, road, or train tracks, making transportation faster, safer, and more efficient. In the case of the Kalimalang Peruri Bridge, it connects the industrial zone owned by Peruri with surrounding roads and residential area. This helps not only Peruri's operation, but also the local community access to work, school, and market. That's why I choose this prize as the focus of my presentation. And it's also near in my area, and I think a bridge is one of the infrastructure that must be built. The name of the project is Kalimalang Peruri Bridge. It is located in Parangmulia Village, Ciampel District, Karawang Regency, West Java, in Indonesia. The main purpose of the Kalimalang Peruri Bridge is to improve accessibility between the Peruri industrial area and nearby communities. Before the bridge was built, the existing access was limited and not suitable for heavy vehicles or high traffic volume. Although this is not a national level mega project, its impact is very local and very rich. It is improved connectivity between industrial zone and public roads, faster and safer logistic distribution from the Peruri factory to regional and national routes, enhanced access for residents to school, healthcare, and markets, support for local economic activities, including small business and labor mobility, contribution to long-term regional planning and infrastructure integration. Now, let's move to the technical details. The Kalimantan Peruri Bridge was built using reinforced concrete with a simple girder bright design. The main material, as I say, is reinforced concrete. The bridge length is 40 meters. The bridge width is 7 meters, support two-way car traffic. The clearance height is suitable for the normal water flow and maintenance access. The foundation type is pile foundation, designed to withstand heavy vehicles, loads from industrial operation, strong soil support to ensure long-term stability. The drainage system is installed on both sides to prevent water accumulation on the bridge surface. The side base is equipped with guardrails for safety, and the surface is asphalt with marking for lane guidance. The construction process was completed in several stages over 6 to 8 months. The equipment used include cranes, concrete mixer truck, concrete pump, pile driving machine, and excavator. The main construction stage is the first site preparation and earthworks, land clearing, and excavation for foundation. The foundation work is included installing of pile foundation using driven piles and construction of abutment and piers. Next is superstructure installation. Placement of precast concrete girders, deck slab formwork and reinforcement, and concrete casting of the deck. The finishing work is asphalt surfacing, installation of board drives, line markings, and drainage, and landscape and cleaning. One challenge was ensuring that the Kalimalang Canal could still flow freely during construction. Another issue was limited vehicles access due to the brutal location. Despite that, the project stayed on schedule and was completely successfully. The main owner of this project is the Karawang Regency government, under the supervision of the Public Works and Spatial Planning Department, is Dinas DUPR. An important stakeholder is Peruri, the state-owned money printing company, which operated in the area. Although not the owner, Peruri is a key beneficiary because this branch directly supports the operation and employees. Local residents are also stakeholders, as the branch give them much better access to essential service. Let's look at the impact of the project. Environmentally, the effect was minimal because the bridge was built over an existing canal. There was no major alteration to the landscape or water system. The project had minimal impact because of this of an existing canal, with no major alteration to the waterfall. Proper planning ensured that construction waste did not follow the canal. Temporary measures were taken to prevent erosion and sedimentation in the waterway. The social impact, the bridge is significantly improve public access between residential areas and the industrial zones. It reduced travel time and made daily commuting safer for both factory workers and local residents. The local business benefit from increased mobility and traffic flow in the area. The project also included a public information campaign to inform the community and reduce disruption during construction. The bridge now was officially complete and opened in 2023. Since then, it has been full operating. The bridge is actively used by federal employees and factory vehicles, local residents commuting between village, transport vehicle connecting to main boards. It has improved traffic flow and reduced congestion in the area, especially during peak hours. The bridge surface, drainage, and guardrails are function well, with no major issue reported since opening. In my opinion, the Kalimalang Peruri Bridge is a successful and impactful infrastructure project. It directly addresses the needs of both industrial logistics and community access in the Ciampel-Parangmula area. Although it may seem like a small bridge, its role is strategic and essential for daily mobility. The bridge plays a vital role in supporting economic growth, social activities, and transportation efficiency in Karawang. It also demonstrates how targeted infrastructure can bring large-scale benefits to both industry and society. With proper maintenance, this bridge will continue to serve the community for many years. And that's all about the Kalimalang Peruri Bridge. Thank you. Thank you so much for your attention. And this is the end of my presentation. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.